Okay, so I'm in the foyer. Let me turn around. Ouch! Oh my God. Front door. That alarm is beeping because they haven't reset it for me at this unit here. So it's just freaking beeping. Okay, so here's a walk-in closet, like storage closet. This is what I used previously to put an office in the closet. It was in this space in the other two apartments. So excuse that beeping. This is me standing in the closet, and then this is the little entryway area. And if you come out this way, turn this way, you have a bathroom tub behind the door. This is a guest bedroom here. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this on camera. This is a brand new unit. No one has ever lived here except moi. I love moving into brand new units, as well as the one that I'm moving out of across the parking lot. It too is brand new. So that's the closet. I got all the lights on for you guys because it's super overcast outside and it's super late in the evening. So if you come back out, there's the door. And then this is the living room area. I don't know why these walls looking pink in this video, but they are like a tan, builder's grade, tannish color. And so this is what the living room space on this side looks like. The little bar area, dining room space over there. Just walk the perimeter. And the patio, so I'll show y'all that without showing you too much. Here's the patio. It's a little bit different. And a storage closet there. Okay, so now I'm in the other corner. I was over there. Now I'm here. So we'll go to the dining room space, which is this area. Here I feel like, well, not feel like, this area right here is bigger. The apartment itself is bigger than the last 2 3-bedroom units. And I can see definitely right there in this space. For sure. Okay, so this is the pantry. Super small, perfect for me, person that don't really cook. And then this is the kitchen area. Same exact stuff. I'll come to the end. It's less cabinets in the 3-bedroom unit, as you can see, as opposed to the amount of cabinets that I had in the 2, excuse me, but there's more counter. Well, I mean, maybe it's the same amount of cabinets, they're just set up different, because you have these 2 extra cabinets here. I only had one in the 2-bedroom. I did have those 2 like that. And then there's okay, so I guess it's the same amount of cabinets. They're just laid out different in the 3. This 3. But it's still the same layout as the last 3. It's like a galley style kitchen. And you get the, little granite countertops. It's just, what do you call that? Gooseneck? I don't know. And then the appliances, refrigerator, freezer, perfect for moi. And then if you come out of there and walk this way, you have laundry room. Here is the laundry room. Laundry room. This is like utility closet for your water heater stuff. And then coming out of there, you have a I was about to say pantry. This is a linen closet, Sharon. You have a full linen closet right there. This is the other guest bedroom, which is the one I think I'm going to turn into my office area. So that way when I do have guests, they will have the room furthest away from the master. So this, and then it's what do you call it, this closet. I'm so tired while I'm filming this. We have a closet. Okay. Closet there. And then if you come out here, you're in the master. I'll come over here on this side so you can see. That is the master. I do lose a window in the 3 as opposed to where I'm at in a 2 right now. So this is the master. Still very spacious for me. King bed will still fit in here. Everything that I already have will still fit. And then this is the walk-in closet. Here in the master, I'll shut the door so you can kind of see. That beeping noise is going to drive me crazy until they set that thing. Hopefully tomorrow. Because it is actually late in the evening. So that's the closet. So if you come out of there, behind the door, you have the bathroom. Sink, mirror, all that jazz. Storage, drawers and such. You have tub, shower situation. Over that way you have a toilet and another linen closet. And then, yeah, hopefully that was not too fast for you. So this is, okay, I'm reaching, everything is backwards in here to me, so. Master, my office space here. Laundry room, dining room area, kitchen, living room space here, patio, third bedroom over there, bathroom, foyer, way, bar, height, bar, super tall bar. This one can sit about 4 bar stools, but, and then the closet, walk-in storage closet, and then the entryway situation here, and the worrisome beeping alarm system. And so that is that. And my paint that I'm about to start painting right there on the floor. So I don't know if it's gonna look the same or not, but right now these walls, like I said, are a like builder's grade cream. That's a little bit better there. Like builder's grade cream. And I'm going to be painting. I actually have the swatches in the car. I'm actually changing up from my repos and my Acer. I chose 2 other tone grays, and I'll tell you what they are when I get them out the car. I don't know if I'll insert them in this video or actually after I'm done. But I'm going to go ahead and start painting this room, that room, and the kitchen. Like this. Okay, I don't know what I'm about to do. I think I'm going to start in here and work my way that way. This way, that way. And this, I'll show you this half wall situation. It's if you're new here. If you're old here, you'll remember the half wall and the living room space. Okay, that's all I have, y'all. It's just a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath units. Ooh, look, I'm looking at the patio. I'm looking at the patio. Where is my freaking binoculars? Like, seriously. I can see all the way to the shopping center. That's why I need the binoculars, so I can see into the shopping center. Girl. So, yeah, I'm about to paint. I'm amazed at how much space I get over there now as opposed to how much I had in the other oh wow, that thing is getting on my nerve. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Hopefully I did you justice with the empty, so that way you guys can see what it becomes. So let me just give you a quick little real quick, because somebody will be fussing at me. Sharon, you was going way too fast. Entryway, okay, closet, bathroom, first guest bedroom there, all of this here. Again, this is the, then you have the kitchen area over there. Come back this way, hallway, laundry, linen, master, closet over there, bathroom behind this door, my new office space. I am going to paint this room white. This is the only room in this house that will be white. That's because it has a ceiling fan up. It doesn't get much brighter than what you see right now in here as far as the lighting goes. So this is the only room that won't get a touch of gray. It will get a stark white. Start white in this room here, and then everything else will be gray. Okay, that is it. That is all. Stay tuned if you want to see how the painting turns out. You can use this video. It looks great. I assure you it's not. And that's it, you guys. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey, beautiful family. It's your auntie. Family. I'm so tired. It is ridiculous. If you hear that beeping, that's the alarm system that hasn't been reset for me. So it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. It may be 8 now. I'm thinking it's 8. It may be 8 o'clock. Okay, Sharon, making a mess. It may be 8. Just 8. So I stayed over here last night painting up until 2 o'clock this morning. And then decided, okay, Sharon, enough is enough. Like, like seriously, enough is enough. So I went back to the old apartment and took me a nice hot bath. Every morsel of my body was aching. I took a nice hot bath. So I slept for about 5 hours. Yeah, I gotta come fix that today. I can't. I cannot live in the beeps and chirps. And y'all are asking on my drink. So I'm coming back today to finish painting. And it's literally gonna be like that every Second. Okay, so what was I saying? Because I'm so tired and delirious. So yes, last night, rather, the only thing I have in this space that that you can barely see is the very top of, and look at this, girl, the very top ceiling edge, just right here in this little nookie situation, right there, and then I'm gonna go into well, I don't know. I think I might better. No. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the first guest bedroom. That'll be easy. It's just, no angles, no nothing. And then I'm gonna come out of there and do the kitchen. I did the let me turn you around. Okay, so the entryway has been painted. And these two walls right here are the same color, and I got a touch up over here. It starts going back to the other color. Let me go back to right here. I gotta sneeze. Okay, sorry. You see the two different colors. That's the darker, and that's the lighter. What the heck, man? And then if you come around this way, walk it all the way to this way. Okay, that's the darker. Is your face dirty? Don't matter. Okay. Lighter gray. This is the only accent wall on this side, of course. And then over there, there's another accent. Focus, you stupid. Another accent wall. And then the kitchen hasn't been painted yet. None of the kitchen has been painted yet. So I don't know if you can see the two different colors between that and this. Let's see if you can, because that needs to be painted that way. But this has been painted. I don't know if you can tell the difference there. All of this. All of this. And like I said, the entryway. But I am gonna come in here. But I'm gonna do that room over there first. Oh, now it's looking purple. Oh my God. See at the very top right there? Oh, it's where I gotta finish that little portion, and then I can go into the bedroom. So that's all I'm doing. That is it. That's all. And that's my flower from the patio. The patio is more longer than, it's more rectangle than it is square. So I'm gonna have to reconfigure some stuff, but I'm not worried about that right this second. Let me turn you back around. Oh my God.